In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone sites in WP Engine hosting. Cloning your WordPress site can be a handy process whether you're creating a backup, testing changes, or developing new features. Let's dive right in. First off, you need to log into your WP Engine dashboard. Head over to the WP Engine website and enter your login credentials into the provided fields. Once you're logged in, your dashboard will act as the central hub for managing all your site environments. Now, you'll want to select the site environment you wish to clone. Sites often have different environments like production, staging, or development. Choose the one that suits your needs. For instance, if you're planning to make significant changes or test new features, you might want to work with the staging environment first. Once you've selected the environment, navigate to the Site section. From there, click on Tools and choose either Clone Site or Copy Environment, depending on your plan's specific options. This is where you begin the actual cloning process. Next, you'll need to decide on the destination environment. Do you want to clone your site to a new environment, creating a completely separate copy, or to an existing one, like overwriting a staging or development environment? This decision largely depends on your project's needs, so weigh your options carefully. If you choose to create a new environment, simply click on Clone to New Environment. This is ideal if you want a fresh, standalone copy of your site. On the other hand, if you prefer to clone into an existing environment, select the option to overwrite either your staging or development environment. Remember, this action will replace the environment's current content, so be sure this is the right choice for you. It's crucial at this point to review all the settings before proceeding. Check the database, files, and domain options to ensure everything is configured correctly. This step is vital to prevent unexpected issues down the line and ensure your clone site operates smoothly. Once you're satisfied with the settings, go ahead and click Clone or Start Cloning. This will initiate the cloning process. Keep in mind that the duration can vary based on the size of your site. Larger sites naturally take longer to clone, so be patient as the operation completes. After the cloning process is finished, it's time to access your newly cloned site and test its functionality. Thoroughly go through the site, checking if everything is working correctly before making it live. Testing at this stage can save you headaches later on and is a good practice to adopt for any site changes. And there you have it. That's how you clone sites in WP Engine hosting. By following these steps, you can efficiently manage your site's environments, making changes with confidence and ease. Thanks for watching, and happy cloning!